First thing we're gonna do, we're gonna add our semolina or manka into our buttermilk kefir, and you're gonna mix this together until it's nice and smooth. And we're gonna set this mixture aside for 20 to 30 minutes to bloom, so you might want to do this step ahead of time. Otherwise, this pie is super easy and quick to make. Into a large bowl, we're gonna use tvarog, which is dry cottage cheese. You can see that it's nice and dry. So together with your grated cheddar cheese. Add everything into a bowl and then add your chopped dill, your eggs, and your chopped garlic. I like a lot of garlic, so if you don't like garlic, just don't add so much. You're then gonna season it with salt and pepper or any other spices that you like. We're gonna mix everything together until it's nice and smooth. Keep mixing until all of your ingredients are mixed. Then go ahead and take your buttermilk with semolina, add that inside, and mix everything one more time until it's nice and smooth. I'm going to be using this cute tray for my cheese pie, but you can use any tray, any mold that you like or have. First thing you're going to do, you're going to spray it with some cooking oil. You can also use butter, and then add parchment paper at the bottom. Then go ahead and generously add your cheese mixture. Spread it out so it goes into your mold nice and even. And of course, I'm going to add extra cheese on top, because why not? You can use Parmesan or any other cheese. Place it in the oven and bake it. Once it's baked, you're going to leave it to fully cool down on a cooling rack. And then once it's cooled down a little bit, go ahead, use your knife and take out your cheese pie. Serve it with some extra fresh dill if you want, and just enjoy it hot or cold. It's very, very chewy, very delicious. It's got that tangy flavor from the cottage cheese, and it's very, very delicious. I hope you enjoy it.